Once upon a time, in a tiny village nestled at the foot of a majestic mountain, there lived a curious little fox named Milo. Milo had a heart filled with wanderlust and a desire to explore the world. One day, while venturing through the forest, he stumbled upon a glowing feather lying on the ground. Intrigued by its shimmering beauty, Milo picked up the feather, and a gentle voice whispered, "Dear child, that feather possesses a special magic. It will grant you one wish, but remember, true happiness comes from helping others." Milo's mind raced with possibilities. He could wish for endless delicious treats, or even the ability to fly across the skies. However, as he looked around, he noticed a dilapidated old bridge spanning a rushing river. Inspired to make a difference, Milo closed his eyes and held the feather tightly. "I wish for a strong and sturdy bridge that connects our village, making it easier for everyone to cross and visit their loved ones," he earnestly wished. In an instant, the magic feather glowed brightly, and when Milo opened his eyes, he beheld a magnificent bridge before him. It stood tall and strong, its wooden planks gleaming in the sunlight. The villagers rejoiced, grateful for Milo's selfless wish. Word of the magical bridge spread far and wide. People from neighboring villages traveled to witness the marvel created by Milo's wish. The bridge not only connected the villagers physically, but also brought them closer as a community. It became a symbol of unity and togetherness. Milo realized that true happiness does not come from selfish desires, but from using one's gifts to improve the lives of others. The joy he felt in seeing the smiling faces of the villagers as they crossed the bridge filled his heart with contentment. From that day forward, Milo became known as the Fox of Goodwill. He spent his days helping others, whether by repairing homes, organizing community events, or simply offering a listening ear. The villagers admired and respected him for his kind and compassionate nature. And so, the story of Milo and the magical bridge was passed down through generations, reminding everyone that the greatest magic lies in acts of kindness and selflessness. Milo's wish not only brought physical convenience, but also fostered a spirit of unity and compassion among the villagers. As Milo continued to roam the village and beyond, spreading his goodwill, the magic feather remained a cherished symbol of the power of selflessness and the extraordinary impact one small act of kindness can have on an entire community.